What's up, YouTube? It is another beautiful day in North Central Washington, and for some reason I just decided to vlog today. So I decided to do a video on a bike check on my KINK Gap, best bike company in the world. Might not be your preference, but it's definitely mine. Later in this video I'll show you how I got this bike, where I got it, what website I got it on, how I saved up for the bike and how I didn't save up for the bike, and how big of a debt I was in afterwards. Yeah, but first I need to get into some presentable clothes, so yeah. Woo! That felt good. Okay, now that I'm in some presentable clothes, let's start this video. I'm gonna grab the camera real quick, and I will show you all the parts, my grips, my seat, my pedals, my cranks, everything on my bike, you name it. I'll tell you what part it is, how big it is, what size it is, how much PSI it needs, blah 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 blah. And yeah, and I'll tell you where I got the bike, where the website is, what the website is, how much I spent on the bike, let's see here, how much debt I was in afterwards. Oh man. Yeah. Okay, I got the portable camera, and it's time to show you guys around. So yeah, let's do it. So before we start this video, I just wanted to say I'm not one of those people that memorizes every single like millimeter and everything on my parts. I have a friend who's like that, but that's just not me. I know like my parts and what I like on my stuff. I don't memorize it like I can say it off the top of my head. So correct me in the comments if I say anything wrong, or if you have any questions on anything, I can look it up for you guys. So yeah, let's start this. Okay, so I say we start from the bottom to the top, and then we work our way back. First I have the 20-inch Mission Freestyle rims. I love them, they're awesome. I have the Sever tires, S-E-V-E-R. Also KINK BMX. PSI is 35 to 60 or 65. I keep mine at like 55 to 60. 55 on the front, 60 on the back. I have just a normal tube. Yeah, sunlight tube. I have the Grizzly bars, also KINK BMX. Oh yeah, back down to my headset. I have a Mission headset. I have a KINK BMX stem, 50 millimeter. And here, I already told you about the bars. My grips are just the volume, just the standard grips. The only ones they have actually right now. So yeah, I love these grips. These grips are really grippy. All my friends like them. Yeah, I am getting Vans Colt grips after this, because I just like the feeling of those. They're gonna be black, and yeah, but I really like these. I really recommend them. Onto my frame, I have a freestyle frame, 20.5 inch top tube. And for those of you that don't know what a top tube is, it's this tube right there, and it ends about right there. You can see on the weld line right there and right there. That's a top tube, and that is 20.5. I have the KINK BMX seat. I love it. Not really much of a seat guy because I don't usually sit on the seat. But yeah, this is kind of my preference for a seat. I don't really know what it's called. But I really like the leather on the sides. It's my favorite right here. Down to my cranks. I have KINK BMX Ridge 170 millimeter cranks. Obviously 3-piece. My pedals are Primo Oil Slick. And on my sprocket, I have a 25 tooth sprocket. Love it. It's awesome. It's beautiful. And rims, same, front and back. Tires, same. Tubes, same. This is a 9-tooth rear hub on the back. Oh yeah, and about my frame, my bike, actually, my bike is full chromoly. And that's just my preference because it's lighter. Yeah, that should be it. Yeah. At the beginning of the video, I told you I was going to tell you how much I spent on this bike, what website I got it on, and how much of a debt I was in later. So, I actually spent $415 on this bike, in total with the shipping and the tax all added up. I got it off of KINK BMX, the website. Just look up kinkbmx.com. Best bike company in the world, in my preference. Again, it might not be yours, but it's mine. I was actually in like $250 debt afterwards. I paid it off of mowing lawns afterwards. I just mowed my neighbor's lawn and I was getting paid $75 a month. I mowed his lawn and took down his trash cans. And then, yeah, earned enough money after a while, after like 3 months or so. Or more, I don't know. Or maybe less. I'm not that good at math. But yeah, that's how much I spent on it. Yeah, kinkbmx.com. Definitely recommend it. Look it up. It's a great website. And yeah, that's a wrap for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I had a ton of fun making this video. It took a while, but I got it. I hope you liked it as much as I did. If you want more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and a thumbs up. It would give me a lot more motivation because I'm going to try to be coming out with videos every Thursday, every single week. It takes a lot to make the videos and edit them, but now that spring's rolling in and summer, I can make videos a lot more now. So thanks for watching and sticking with me. Peace.